Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen color on Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and yes, screen color adjustments too. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Vision Enhancements. Ignore any unrelated suggestions that pop up, like those for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. What you're looking for is simply titled Vision Enhancements, which is part of Samsung's accessibility settings, and taps it once it appears in the search results. Step 4. Now, tap on Vision Enhancements again. You'll see a list of features designed to help users with visual challenges. Some of these options can dramatically alter how your screen looks, sometimes unintentionally. Let's go through the ones you need to check and possibly disable. Step 5. Now, the color inversion feature can reverse all the colors on your screen. Whites turn black, blacks turn white, and all the other colors look distorted. If your screen suddenly looks weird, this could be the reason. Find the color inversion option and make sure the toggle switch is turned off. Step 6. Now, right below or near color inversion, you'll see color filters. When enabled, these filters can add a color tint to your screen, such as red, green, or blue, which can make everything look unnatural. Tap on color filters and make sure it is also turned off. If it's on, turn it off and back out to the previous screen. Step 7. Now swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again if you don't see the full menu. Look for an option called Eye Comfort Shield. On older phones, it might be called Blue Light Filter. This feature reduces blue light to make viewing easier on your eyes, especially at night, but it can also make your screen look very yellow or warm. If you want a true-to-color display, you should turn this off. Step 8. For the last and most important step is to restart your phone. Sometimes, even after adjusting the settings, changes may not take effect until after a restart. To restart, press and hold the power button and tap Restart from the menu that taps again and restart your phone instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.